An idea that has rarely been mentioned is controlling the ebb and flow of student energy inside a classroom. This is something that is used with younger students in kindergarten and elementary school. Teachers use energizers and settlers to stay in control of their classes. To get rid of that excess energy, teachers play energetic games or do chants. They get the kids moving and active to spend that pent up energy. Then calm them down and give them time to rest by reading a story or doing another calming activity. It is impossible to only do fun activities that spend energy. Students become exhausted and then get into fights. On the other hand, no classroom with young students can only do relaxing activities such as drawing and story time for every class. Even though students have different energy levels and preferences, teachers still motivate kids to participate in both types of activities. That way, they stay in control and have better classroom management than teachers that don't understand classroom energy. The manipulation of energy in the classroom extends to all age levels. If you control the way that they spend their energy, you control the class. Manage classroom energy by doing energizing activities at one point and relaxing activities the next. By managing the flow of energy, you are able to direct them to the task at hand and help them release energy when it becomes pent up. Start viewing your class as an energy line. Begin your class with tons of positive energy. Have a fun activity to start or tell an interesting story to pique their attention. Once the warm-up is over, you move on to instruction. Now that their energy is spent, it is easier to focus on what is being said. Then challenge them with another engaging activity to re-engage their attention. Once that is done, do a calm review of what they have learned, and finally end the class on a fun activity or discussion to end on a high note and make them look forward to the next time they see you. Energy control is very important but not well understood. Many teachers prefer having a quiet, low-key class where work is completed in silence. But then it's almost impossible to engage all your learners. Unless the content is riveting, some will rebel by misbehaving or acting out. Understand the needs of your classes, because although energy manipulation is very important, it's not the key to classroom management.